Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here with another video. If you watched the video yesterday, I did mention that I'm gonna start doing more driving videos. So it's another driving video. Right now we're out by Nestle, right off the ferry. So we're driving from right here. We're gonna pass Duane Park, we're gonna be on the boulevard, and then we're gonna end the video on Molynes Road. So this is Ferry Pen. It's a part of the Kingston 876 commercial development. And a lot of development is happening by Nestle side. If you're following my videos, you'd have seen where I did a few videos, including drone videos, to highlight the developments happening around that side. So now we are on the ferry. So it's an early morning drive. So if I go right, that brings me into 3 Mile into downtown, but we're not going that direction. So this direction can bring into Half a Tree, Constance Spring Road, and all those different areas. Recently, probably a week ago, they found a crocodile behind these zinc fences. I think a gully is around there. They found a big crocodile. So we're approaching Duane Park on our early morning drive. So thanks for clicking on the video, guys. Thanks for joining the drive. Ensure you have on your seatbelt. And remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. Alright, so this is the stoplight at Duane Park. Over to the right is Corville Gardens. If any of you guys grew up in Corville Gardens or even still living in Corville Gardens, you can let me know in the comment section. So the sun is not fully out as yet, so the video may be a little bit darker than usual. Stay tuned, and again, remember to like, remember to comment. Alright, so to the right we have Washington Gardens. gardens. So a lot of gardens. You know, that's one thing with Kingston, probably Jamaica. You know, full of gardens. Patrick City. Patrick City is on the left, not Patrick Gardens. But we still have a lot of gardens. Wouldn't you guys agree? Stoplight is Kenil Drive, and then you have Boulevard Supercenter over the left. You have Dairies Industries over the right. Any current or past employee watching that has worked over Dairy Industries, you can let me know in the comment section. Boulevard Supercenter over that side. So it's a quick morning drive with you guys. Again, the drone is no more, it crashed. So we need a new drone. So you know, back in the earlier days of the channel, we used to do a lot of driving videos, so we're back to driving videos for now. And because sometimes you have to mix it up as well, you can't do the same thing all the time. Alright, so this is the stoplight intersection with Marverley and Jewsland. So you have Jewsland on the right, Marverley on the left. Stoplight / intersection with Boulevard. So we'll be taking the right onto Molynes Road. We'll lead straight into Half a Tree. Going straight ahead, that brings us to Dunrobin, then onto Constant Spring Road, or it can bring you to Half a Tree as well. And then the left turn would bring you more onto Molynes up to Red Hill side. And we are coming from Spanish Town side. So as usual guys, thanks for your support. They seem to be resurfacing right here. It was very bumpy after a million patches, so they scraped off the entire surface. So I think they'll do a complete resurface, because one thing with the Jamaican road, you know, we'll patch it a million times until some of the bums starts to feel like pothole themselves. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to share. And I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video. Alright, so we're on Molynes Road. I'm going to end the video here.